Hi and welcome to your next car on the walk around video for the 2018 18 plate 320D in Alpine White. The vehicle does of course feature a full Your Next Car and Performance body styling kit, and we've further enhanced the exterior with a set of the 19-inch BMW 442M alloys, of which we just had professionally refurbished in the bi-colour jet black. At the front of the car, being a 2018 18 plate, does of course receive the facelift, so we've got the LED headlamps at the front. Moving swiftly down the side of the car, working really well with that timeless Alpine White. You can see these satin side vinyls, gloss black sidebar, and the vehicle does also come with the BMW sun protection glazing. Moving on into the interior, the vehicle does have a full black Dakota leather, which for both drivers and passengers we get the electric lumbar and heated seat options. We do have a 6-speed manual within this 3 Series, as you can see there, and I'll talk you through more of the interior features as we make our way around. For your rear passengers, we've got a 3-seat Isofix rear bench there, central folding armrest, and of course a darkened M Sport headlining. Before heading to the very rear, we can show you off again these stunning 19-inch alloy wheels that come with the mixed premium run flat tyres. At the back, we've opted to go for the high gloss rear spoiler on this car and the original ferret grey diffuser on the car. Again, another nice addition was the LED rear lights on the 3 Series there. You'll see just how large the boot space is for an F33 3 Series. Again, that's all clean and tidy within there, and we shall hop on round to the driver's side. Again, being able to show you that all of the paintwork is very clean and tidy, and that all works really nicely with those additions we've made. Taking the seat inside the car, we can show you a few more of its interior features in a bit more detail, beginning with the BMW business navigation and media screen. Beginning with the sat-nav, and we'll also start the car up. The sat-nav system on here utilises real-time traffic updates to ensure you're on the fastest route possible. Being that it's of course a facelift car, we've also got some nice tweaks to this BMW business screen. That includes the connected drive. This is a great way to ensure you're connected when you're out and about in your vehicle. This uses its own onboard 4G network, and as you can see, gives you access to news, weather, and of course online search capabilities. In terms of again keeping you connected for your mobile devices, you've got Bluetooth audio and telephone, as you can see, and we've also got a good amount of multimedia, including DAB, and there is also a USB, AUX, and of course we've already mentioned the Bluetooth input as well. Down here is where you'll find the dual climate controls and the switches for both heated seats. We've got a wonderful 6-speed manual gearbox, which is a real joy to use. The car itself has covered just over 39,000 miles. It does also come with the cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, and we'll just quickly hop on through into the service requirement screen. And as you can see there, everything is highlighted in green. The next service for the car is due in 14,000 miles time. And hopefully throughout this video you've seen it is not only very nicely presented, also comes with some great additions in the form of both the upgraded alloys and of course the lovely Your Next Car and Performance body styling kit. I'm hoping you've enjoyed the walk around and of course been able to find it useful. Should you want to get in touch with ourselves here, you'll find all of the relevant contact information down there in the description, and we shall look forward to seeing yourselves very, very soon. Do of course take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.